Hi guys, here we have an unboxing of the Sunvell T95x2. It's an Amlogic TV box, the S905X2. This device is the 4GB of RAM and the 32GB of ROM. Let's have a look. Here we have the TV box. The micro SD card, the USB port and the USB 2 port, the power supply, the HDMI port, Ethernet, the AV and the optical. Feels very lightweight unit, this does. Ventilation holes in the bottom, plastic feet, not rubber feet. We have the UK power adapter, which is a 5V 2A. The remote control, instruction manual, and the HDMI lead. That's a quick unboxing of the Sunvell T95x2 Android 8.1 TV box by Sunvell.